So please like, share, comment tutorials. Cái mind dễ này lấy nè. Jump về reng lâu hết chăng. Miss follow back về please. This J I Chafe. Because of you I will follow Miss Grant. Thank you so much. Miss Kula ilaw let chep to em. Kalau let chep so orang thiang doin kalau let tang. Miss facial card chat to complete again. Thank you. Miss in Tlom takla image zong zong ten petian hian inga choi mai te thank you. Kan hi tloni ni kan dong ni lavin kan hadon final ka na mo san preliminary chu heta jang kan keng preliminary moi ton tok mizo siama ni ti po in o ilawang prospect wa min chui sa kana ZN school ka mu to ZN school mo ZN school chon kala kal ngai
Thank you so much.
Let me see. Oh, I love your hair, baby.
Thank you.
You have such nice hair. Yeah, I'll see you. Bye-bye. Miss in school ako ron kal ngay doon. Ole law kal ngay raw. Kaya na niya tingin Miss Som Petuma. Miss tiambi ngay hit yang hi. Nandini siya ka ng aya cha o masi at lulaw. Ingay siya tutu. Ikaw ni muto final ka lang mulaw. Final gown fittings for me and I look for me. Too long, just please pray for me that my final gown fits me well. Bye, Carlo. Trong về tôi lấy cái dân sắc tỏ lên tóc. Có nên cái chair rồi chứ?
Mình em bị vắt lỏng à cái chú. Mình em bị vắt lỏng cái chú. Where is Nandini Sharma? Cái chuyện lâu ở Romania. Anh chơi về Mac thôi bằng.
Anh xem nào.
Chơi tu khám mình lâu bia cái gì kìa.
Bia.
Cần bia chứ. Miss Gown here thôi nên mình đông chỉ nên mình hắc tour anh đông đón final gown.
Mình là tu cái khác.
Hi. Talent show when talent thì tiếng cái này đông khá. I think it's tomorrow. Mỗi phát về nó tỷ lệ to. Cái gì? Mình thì phao xin. Final gown fittings khá phù ngay ô lẩu trăng luôn gì hay phụ vắt lẩu phân cấn tỷ phụ ngay nè. The preliminary gown will be her own, designed by Rose Patel, and the final gown will be provided by the organization. Ang ni kamale una pa ni omade nin kan ni lo moi nen phai ang moi nen ti khat ta uluk mang kheng khan kan chu ai Mr. tu kan ve lo national costume anal via mem ka mutak national costume hi anal via vani tu na hian kala pek kala hong lo khoi nge live en tu YouTube pa don invite enjoy don enjoy don ne Zanin tu personal interview na kang kalbet hello moi copy dileto ka bete beslom te moi min ti se
Yin ang take.
ni zana po min ti kan ko swan na kan ni zo ho ka kan ni mo kam
An tamim ko uy mabeta.
pal pa ka ni batum tali pa na on
Ni zana pa ite hi Jaipur Miso Association tenen ve in koma. Ke tu ko thwak be thela ba. Brilliant life don life zel don va in sulam kan zir ni leng tu ko ke noi thip. Oi moi ai chafe o. Moi tu na personal interview tun life ngai la close door interview na judge le contestant ba kin nge thling ing man shidon la du chan dot lir ka shil the ni po final look to rat fella kan class to kin ron tiro se ron tiro se ante kan si ang tin sa tu na moi in lo ko reng la
chi lo
harnas vai pasin The finale will be on the 13th of July. Miss Grand ni Oma Moy ni Kalo me Miss National Costume.
Finale, grand finale.
Z Studio.
G Studio.
Yeah. Have you ever been there, Ram? Have you ever been there in the studio? I haven't been to.
Lâu dài tiết xin.
Cái channel gì à?
Na ai cái gì lâu. Na ping sat liang. Cái gì dài thiam lâu. Na.
Môi môi ấy ăn vàng chân. Miss Ibit về làm khá thì bị tụ ăn.
Lighting anh đi khang.
Azai chán về chú anh là nghe làm tuần. Sẽ chỉ là về để vàng khá cái chú. GRND, the one and only. Cũng nghĩ ra ôi sẽ tụ phúc chết thôi là. Cái này ra cái mà hay mì lim. Cái thol đâu.
Cú tin gần đi
Cái khel về là cái tô cả ôm làm băng cái thol lết lát as always. Nhưng mà trang hiện in level cái chú năng chú thế. Amel chalom kalome. What's up guys? Ti VLMS ti hi kanawanya. Mol pel bul temina. Dar engzang in chen donem. Daria ta hianin nya mase kichu topper da tu kan nya mom.
Dar son bel cho dâu thế mấy lòng. Nghe son thì.
It's 5 minutes for everyone so ray lawang. Ngaya
Chung
kan
đi lang về thì là. Chung tức đi lang. Trong thời gian mà.
Ngor on WhatsApp kan check lock ka live ka titop lawin. Ka post to ni chu zani na ka hak tur chu love en ro moi.
Post to ni chu. Ni la tu da.
WhatsApp kan check lock ang on sanin ka ran let le nga lang. So la put to la personal interview to dar kwa kan chen ang chat so mon sarin. Kan put lang ye chuanin so ka athan chu so felvat khanin ru thil dang ei ta tur lau khanin on reng thei don chuma mon chanin I'll eat first. Cái ta cái in thầm yang so cái put cái nào ha
Trong thời gian.
I know rồi more to ha Ram has a really good ring light here with me with us. I look edited under your light. Ini donem, real time yeah. Again, darling, that thing is from Pakat, yes. Ram, do you know when they close the dinner? The timing of the dinner?
10:30.
I don't.
Maybe 11 o'clock.
Yeah. But it's not good to eat too late, right? There will be nothing left. The food here is so good that I'm always hungry.
It's looking very stunning.
Thank you. I think she should take. Baby, have you had your dinner? Huh? Have you had your dinner? No. Are you planning to have it?
If I get time, sure. I don't think so.
They're saying it will start at 9.
Yeah, means 9:30, 10.
Yeah. I think you will get your time because you're like not on the like earlier serial numbers.
Yes.
I'm gonna go have dinner.
Oh, thank you.
And relax. Because cái lâu rồi đâu nhau nè con. Cái interview lại có những cái thằng nào như thế rồi.
Thank you so much.
Miss Steve dùng tụi nghe in ngày sáng ít đủ bear. Ekhay bear tụi har top hay a competition na zir kani ani siam rem vezelan character and personality te khat atang vezelan itu kawang kanin Dan ang lao shang shang kanin du shan kanya masil hey kom full package to Priyanka Chopra hi ani in kala siya kay matsan mo kan rumah ka Chhan kan som lo kanya. Hello babe. Oh, you're all ready.
I'm ready, yes, baby.
They said to have dinner first. Are you ready to have dinner?
Seriously?
Yeah.
Let's go have dinner then. No, we'll go get ready like this and have dinner. You get ready.
No, I'll have dinner like this and then get ready after dinner.
I'll just have it like this.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. There's nothing, no problem with it. You look nice.
Thank you.
I love the length of your pants. It's
Yeah.
so perfect.
I did it like that way.
Oh, it's like it feels like you're like floating.
You're
It
going to
looks
wear
like
this
you're-
one, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm
looks
going to
good.
wear.
It's good that you did a lookbook. I have to take pictures.
I have a lookbook. I'm not posting anything. How stupid I am.
Yeah, I saw your lookbook reels and I was like, where are these pictures?
I don't have a lookbook.
Oh, we'll take one. We'll take one. Don't worry.
Please take pictures for me.
Yes,
Pictures
of
so I need to make
course.
something.
But please do remind me. I'm very forgetful.
No problem.
Because-
What are you doing now?
I'm going live.
Oh my god.
I was going live during my makeup session and I haven't put it down yet. I wanted to show them my dinner too. You know, I never even take my own pictures, so please remind me that we have to make contents and pictures. But here there's like two people who don't remember to make contents as well. Like we're such like so similar in so different so many ways. Oh sorry.
It's fine. Are you using filter V?
Right, right now. No
Click picture.
filter.
I'll edit it for you. I have a app.
Ah, good.
So while going live, are you using filter? That's what I'm asking.
No, I'm not using any filter. I don't like how I filter. Unless I look bad. If I look bad, I need to use filters. If I don't, like if I'm glammed up, I don't like to use filters.
Then what is the point of being glammed up?
Yeah, exactly.
I'm not doing any makeup. I will screen and now make foundation.
Hey, should we go and have dinner?
Yeah, I'm getting a little bit hungry. Should we go save a seat for you? I think this is the exact time